Are you ready to hear it, Lily?
Yes.
All right, here it is. I have no idea what this is either. I am stumped. What do you think?
Maybe it's like rolling paint on a wall.
Ooh.
I don't know.
That's a very, very good guess. You ready to hear the answer?
Yes.
Here it is.
Hi, my name's Micah, and I'm from Pagosa Springs, Colorado, and that was the sound of me rolling a paint roller on a wall.
Holy cow. Lily, amazing ears.
Yeah, I kind of know that sound because we just repainted my whole room, so.
So
Yeah.
you're like, I know that. I listen to that sound a lot.
Yes.
Is it fun to use one of those paint rollers?
Yeah, it's definitely really handy because it doesn't take so long.
Mm-hmm. And it makes an excellent noise when you do it.
Yes.
Kind of squishy. I like it.
Yes.